We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out?
Hi everyone, hi family, hi friends and guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to my little corner on YouTube. And I thought that before I get into today's vlog, I should first greet you guys and also introduce myself because I've never done that in this channel. So I am Kosingipile Rameti, known as Lindy Rams on YouTube, and guys, I am a wife and I am also a mother of one for now. So in this channel I will be doing a little bit of lifestyle content as well as house decor and travel vlogs. So if this is the kind of content that you enjoy watching, I hope you do consider subscribing into my channel so that every time when I upload a video you will be notified. And without a waste of time, in today's vlog guys, we are doing an empty apartment tour and it is really a very short one, so I hope you do stay with me until the end of the vlog. So let's get into it. So welcome home guys, and as soon as you walk into the apartment you are met by this nice little kitchen, and it has a black granite stone, and the color of this kitchen guys is not too bright and it is also not too dark. It's just a neutral color and we love it just the way it is. And then over the side we have more cupboard space. It comes with the grocery cabinet as well as space dedicated for a microwave, a space for a washer, a dishwasher, and also a dryer for your clothes and the plugs over there. We have our sink here and this small window. And then when you move to this side of the apartment guys, we have this long passage like area, which is an area a space dedicated for dining area as well as your lounge. And guys, if I tell you that this camera, it does not really reflect the true size of this area because it is very big, and you'll be super happy with the size. And then over here we have this huge window that allows enough natural light to come into the house. And then we have our neighbors over here. This complex guys, it is not too big, it's just a simple complex that accommodates a small number of people. And then when you are standing from this side, this is how the kitchen looks. It looks a bit small, but trust me, it's not that small. And then over here we have this tiny island that can fit about at least 3 chairs there. If you do like those bar stools, you can just put them there. I think it will look nice in there. And then guys, I think this is more clearer if you look at the kitchen from this angle. And I believe that it is actually a big enough kitchen for a family of 3. It doesn't look too small, unless if you are a big family, then you might consider otherwise. And then over here guys, we have an electric stove. So this place, it uses a gas. We have a gas stove over here, and we have some drawers and they come in different sizes. We have this one, and then over here we have this other drawer. This one is a bit bigger and it can fit more larger items than the previous one. And then over here we have this cupboard that is meant for this gas bottle. And guys, the cupboard is just perfect for tucking in the gas bottle so that it looks neat, because if it's exposed it wouldn't look nice. And then on the wall we have some tiles just in between. And guys, as we move on, and we have a long passage here that takes you into the bedrooms. And guys, this place, it has 3 bedrooms. So let's see the sizes of the bedrooms. But first, let's start with the bathroom. This is the family bathroom, and it comes with a bathtub as well as a shower, and it's a reasonable size for a family bathroom. And it has this window and this a mirror that come in this cupboard that comes with a mirror attached to it. It's a small cabinet that one can use for medicine and other stuff. And then the shower, guys, it's also a reasonable size. It is not bad. It's just a simple shower and no complaints. And then moving on, we have our guest bedroom, and the guest bedroom, it is also a reasonable size for this kind of a complex, and it has this closet space that is big enough for for us as a family. And guys, of course, our guests won't be packing their clothes in here. We'll use it as an additional storage for the family. So we'll put some of our stuff here, including blankets and other clothes that we hardly wear. And then over here we have our daughter's bedroom, and it's also a reasonable size. And the window is just big enough, and also the closet space, it's just perfect for my daughter. And it is actually the same size as the previous room. And then lastly, we have the master bedroom, which is also a reasonable size, not too big, not too small, just reasonable. It comes with its own bathroom, and this bathroom, guys, it only has a shower. It does not come with a bathtub, but it's still fine because you already have a bathtub on the other side of the bedroom. And guys, the shower, it's also a reasonable size, not bad. Okay, the tiles, I don't know what was happening there, they're a bit dirty. And then it also has the very same cabinet that is in the other bedroom, the one that comes with a mirror attached to it.